Good evening and welcome to Virtual Open House 2020. My name is Stoney Pryor and I am your child's geometry teacher. I'm excited to teach this group of students. It's been a great first few weeks of school and they've performed very well. I'll give you a little bit about my background. I've taught in the district for about 25 years and worked at CSHS since we opened here. I have taught geometry a number of years. I also teach AP statistics and I coach football and soccer. The general idea of what we do in geometry is I teach for about half of the class period, and then they have typically about half the class period to work on their assignments. There's two teachers in the room actually, and so we work with the different students that are struggling or as they finish their assignment to check their work over and find places where they may be making mistakes. We typically have an assignment every day. There is a calendar on the Schoology page that you can keep up with when we have tests or what's going on, but most every day there's an assignment. Sometimes, frequently, they may be able to finish that assignment in class. We have a test about every 5 or 6 class periods. And anytime your child needs help, of course, they can message me on Schoology, but we have plenty of time in class that we can work with them or pull them to the side if we need to do that. I'm also available in the mornings, and I just ask the students to let me know that they're going to come so I can plan to show up during that time and not be in the field house or somewhere else in the building, but to be attentive to their needs. Please contact me if I can help you or guide you in any way or give you some feedback on what's going on in my classroom. I appreciate your support. And as I said, I'm looking forward to a great year with these students. Thanks for coming tonight.